Hey everyone, it's Mayel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own DIY paper squishy. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing you'll need is stuffing, and stuffing is really cheap. It ranges from $3 and up, varying from the size of the bag and the place where you get it from. So go ahead and use some tape and begin to shape your paper squishy however you want. Now I am creating a circle because I'm making a chocolate chip cookie, and the more layers of tape you add, the squishier your paper squishy will be. Taking a blank sheet of computer paper and folding that in half to use as like the design for our paper squishy. So I'm using a candle to trace a perfect circle, again because I'm making the cookie, and once I remove the candle I'm left with a perfect circle that you can go ahead and cut out. This is what you should be left with. It should basically be able to fold in and out, and your paper squishy that we made should fit in it. Now I'm using some markers, and this is a 100-piece set, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a design on the paper, and I'm making a chocolate chip cookie, but again, feel free to do whatever you'd like. Let your artistic minds flow. And I'm using a blank sheet of paper to put it under just so that I won't get the table dirty. So here it is after I have finished, and this is how it looks. I went ahead and painted the back as well. Now I am using some clear tape to laminate the front, and this helps my paper squishy to not become damaged. And go ahead and cut off the excess tape. And this is how you should look like. And now use that foam piece that we made earlier and place it inside of your paper squishy. And now we are going to seal it shut so that the foam piece that we made will not fall out. And this not only makes your thing more secure, but it also makes it squishy and it leaves it with a nice shine. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down any video suggestions. Bye!